Hey everybody, Philip Thurman here with Office PLM. Today's topic is why are PLM software companies failing in the mid-market? Let's get into it. The number one reason is they're too expensive. The total cost of ownership is too much for most mid-market companies. They want you to buy more than you need. Many of the features that you pay for are never implemented, and in many cases, when you add in the services, it doubles the cost of the project. And then if you add in data migration, it could triple the cost. It doesn't stop there, it's ongoing. I think the number two reason why PLM companies are failing in the mid market is they require consultants. So if your PLM system requires consultants, you're buying a toolkit. And this is not the path for a mid market company. The third reason why PLM companies are failing in the mid market is because they require add ons. And these add-ons are not part of the core functionality. These add-ons require heavy maintenance and are very costly. The fourth reason why is support. PLM companies are failing because of their support model is via a third party or a foreign entity. Time zones and language barriers are problematic. Mid-market companies can't afford to have their problems go on and on and on without being resolved. And frankly, this is a huge issue of why PLM companies are failing in the mid market. I think the fifth one is maintenance. The PLM companies, their maintenance is so high for what you've paid for. So if you paid for a full system, but you're paying maintenance on all of it, this is another reason why I think PLM companies are failing in the mid market. So if any of these resonate with you, maybe it's time that we talk. If you like this content, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to continue this conversation, leave a comment. Or if you want to start a new dialogue, leave me a comment as well. Have a great day.